These are the roosters. Elvis, I forgot the other one's name. I think it was Elvis. I'm almost positive. I want to catch a rooster. Have a nice chicken dinner. Okay, well, the rooster dinner, but whatever. Hey, roosty rooster.